As we know, Windows 11 will be available on 5th of October this year, and if Windows 10 users met with the requirements, then they will be getting this Windows 11 as a free upgrade after 5th of October. Before that, let's take a quick overview on Windows 11 features. As you can see, the taskbar menu have been centered and organized with new graphical icons, which looks really pleasant. Also, the Windows startup got the pinned icons just like the Android phones in the home screen, and we have the options to view all apps that are installed in your PC. Next up, we have a search icon in which you can select the category of search if you wish to perform, and it gives a better result based on your search keyword. Okay, let me type media player. As you can see, it shows Windows Media Player, and it shows VLC Media Player when it comes to the web category for the same keyword, and you got more options to try. Also, we got the widget icon locked in the taskbar where you can check the weather reports, watch list of your market, sports, and lot more. It also shows the trending news based on your regional area. That feels quite handy by just clicking one click from your desktop. Here we have the chat options for the video calling or chat with your friends and family. All these three icons are locked with the taskbar, which can't be moved like the other icons available in the taskbar. As you can see, I can move the icon to the right, but I can move to the left. Coming up to this PC icon, you can see the icon got a very fresh and elegant look. Also, it shows the partition in which your Windows is loaded, and that feels nice. And it really conveys the meaning of each folder, and the first impression looks super cool. Let me quickly open the taskbar settings. Well, now going back to the taskbar setting, you can see all those locked icons which can be controlled from here. If you feel something isn't needed for you, then you can just turn it off or on. And it got a task view option with some nice features to consider in Windows 11. So let's see what is task view option in Windows 11. In this task view, you can create many different desktops, and each desktop can hold their own applications running. Even after restarting your PC, these desktops will stay as you customized it. As you have noticed that I have opened an Explorer in my first desktop, and let me quickly open a Blender in my second desktop now. Yeah. And let me quickly move to the third desktop and open Microsoft Edge. And let me type Pinterest. Okay, now I have 3 different applications running in 3 different desktops. I can even rename each desktop. Let me quickly rename this as Artwork, and the third desktop as Reference. So now I can quickly shift back and forth to any desktop, and also I can change the background of the desktop. Let me select the white theme. As you can see, I'm just holding this Pinterest page in my reference desktop. So let me quickly move to the window. So this is my Artwork desktop. So now let me minimize it. So what happens to these applications if I try to close a desktop view? Let's see. So it automatically moves to the next closer desktop, and we don't lose any running applications. It is great for artists who tend to use multiple reference images, and they have a work area, they have a render area for looking into the final render output. So this is a cool feature for them. Also, Windows comes with a pre-loaded split screen layouts, and let me quickly select a layout for this. Let me quickly open Microsoft Edge and Amazon. There's a great Indian festival going on in Amazon India, so just have a look on it. Let me open one more applications. Let me see. Let me open Notepad, and let me type something. Windows review, Windows 11 review. Now let me select the same layout and place it over there. Yeah, that looks great. I can even adjust its area spacing according to the structure of the layout, and this is really a great feature if you're working with multiple applications at the same time. I can also use these small areas for previewer to check some reference and make use of the large area for my work that reflects on the other windows if you have only one monitor. Okay, let us quickly check what else we have in the time and date area. So it is pretty much the same, but with the notification window in it. This makes sense over here. In the volume menu, we got some new options like night light, which dims the display to reduce your eye strain, and focus assist to prioritize your Windows notification, or just set the alarm turned on if you like. Accessibility got a quite a list of magnifier, color filter, narrator, mono audio, sticky keys, and more options. And you got a cast option support for your external device if you have any. And this project view is really a super nice to have if you have a multiple monitors connected to your PC. I have 3 monitors connected to my PC, and you can play around these settings and see which suits you better. As you can see, I have 3 monitors and I have set it as an extended view so that I can use multiple applications in different monitors. If you got more than one monitor connected to your PC, then try these options. And from here we can select our audio source. I have 2 audio sources connected in my PC, and for more options you can check here. So what else we have here? Windows 11 supports this HDRA feature, and I don't have any currently supporting monitor for this HDR feature, and if you have any, you can just select from this monitor list and check if it supports for you. And for more details, you can check the HDR features from here. I also came across few options that are moved from its original place, something like the refresh option. It shows when you right click on the desktop, but it won't shows up if you right click on the Explorer view. But still, you can go for the more options and select our traditional right click menu. Also the task manager, if you right click on the taskbar, now you will find only taskbar settings. Instead, you go to the Windows icon and right click on it. You will find the most of the system tools like disk manager, device manager, even the taskbar manager and more. It is quite to access by grouping things all in your desktop area. That really makes sense. Windows 11 is truly to experience its feature and interface. So what do you think? Please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a like and share. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.